Imagine this. You step into a machine, and within seconds, you're standing light years away on another planet. No rocket, no years of travel, just a doorway through space itself. Scientists call it a wormhole, but others call it a cosmic portal, a bridge that might connect not just places, but realities. Could this be the key to time travel, or is it just a beautiful illusion written in the fabric of space-time? In this video, we're diving deep into one of the universe's strangest and most mind-bending mysteries: wormholes. Are they real? Could humans ever travel through one? And if we did, what would be waiting on the other side? Get ready, because what you're about to learn will challenge everything you know about distance, time, and even reality itself. The story of wormholes begins with one man, Einstein. In 1915, he changed science forever with his theory of general relativity, showing that space and time are not separate. They're part of a single, flexible thing called space-time. Imagine space-time as a giant rubber sheet. Place a heavy ball on it, it bends, creating a curve. That curve is gravity. Now, Einstein and his colleague Einstein-Rosen took this idea one step further. They realized that space-time could not only bend, it could fold. And when it folds enough, two distant points could touch. The tunnel connecting them, that's what we call a wormhole, or more technically, an Einstein-Rosen bridge. Think of a wormhole as a shortcut through the universe. Instead of traveling in a straight line across space for thousands of years, a wormhole could let you jump instantly from one point to another. Let's say Earth and a planet in another galaxy are billions of light years apart. A wormhole could connect them in seconds. It's like bending a paper in half so that two faraway dots suddenly touch. That's how space-time might work. But there's a problem. According to Einstein's equations, wormholes would collapse almost instantly after forming. They'd be too unstable for anything, even light, to pass through. Scientists later discovered that maybe, just maybe, wormholes could be kept open using something called exotic matter. This isn't ordinary stuff. Exotic matter would have negative energy, the opposite of what we find in normal atoms. Negative energy could push space apart instead of pulling it together, stopping the wormhole from collapsing. If we could find or create this material, it could act like invisible pillars holding the tunnel open. No one has ever seen exotic matter, but theories suggest it might exist in the quantum world, in the tiny fluctuations of empty space itself. This gives scientists a small but real reason to believe wormholes could exist. Some scientists think black holes could actually hide wormholes inside them. Black holes are places where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They warp space-time to the extreme, maybe even enough to punch through it. If a black hole connects to a white hole, a theoretical object that expels matter instead of swallowing it, the two could form a wormhole. So when you look at a black hole, could you be staring at a cosmic doorway? Possibly. But if you tried to enter one, the crushing gravity would tear every atom apart long before you reach the other side. For now, black holes remain deadly mysteries, not travel portals. Here's where things get even stranger. Wormholes might not just connect places, they could connect times. If one end of a wormhole moves faster or stays closer to a massive object, like near a black hole, time at that end would move slower. If you entered one side and exited the other, you might come out in the past or future. It's pure science fiction, yet completely allowed by the laws of physics. The real question isn't, can it happen? It's, can we survive it? Because even a tiny ripple or a radiation burst inside a wormhole could destroy it instantly. In the 1980s, physicist Kip Thorne Yes, the same scientist behind Interstellar explored how a traversable wormhole might actually work. His equations inspired the film's realistic depiction of space bending like liquid glass. Thorne showed that if exotic matter existed, we could, in theory, make a stable passage large enough for humans or spacecraft. But the energy needed to create one would be beyond anything humanity can imagine, far greater than the output of all the stars combined. Still, his work turned wormholes from science fiction into a legitimate scientific concept. Let's imagine for a second that a wormhole opened near Earth. It might look like a glowing sphere, not a tunnel, but a shimmering distortion where light bends and twists. If scientists detected one, they'd have to decide, do we send a probe, a camera, or something more daring, a human? But the danger would be unimaginable. What if the other side was inside a star or outside our universe? A single mistake and we'd lose the traveler forever. Yet the temptation would be too strong to resist, the chance to see beyond the limits of space. Some theories suggest that wormholes might not just connect two points in our universe. They could link different universes entirely. In a multiverse scenario, each universe has its own laws of physics. A wormhole could act like a bridge between realities, letting something or someone cross over. It's wild, but quantum physics doesn't rule it out. Some scientists even think tiny wormholes could already exist at subatomic scales, opening and closing billions of times every second, invisible to us. If we could ever control them, humanity could become interdimensional travelers. Right now, wormholes remain unproven, a beautiful theory waiting for evidence. But science has a history of turning impossible ideas into reality. Once, people thought flying was impossible, that the Earth was flat, that space was unreachable. Maybe wormholes are the next great frontier, the key to faster-than-light travel, time exploration, and understanding the true shape of the cosmos. And maybe, just maybe, somewhere out there, a wormhole already exists, waiting for us to find it. So, what if the universe itself is filled with hidden doors, shortcuts carved into space-time connecting everything everywhere? What if we're just one discovery away from unlocking them? Until then, wormholes remain one of the most haunting and inspiring mysteries of science, the dream of turning infinite distance into a single step. If you enjoyed this journey through space and time, hit like, share this video with your fellow dreamers, and subscribe for more mind-bending stories of our mysterious universe. Because somewhere out there, the next great discovery might already be waiting on the other side of a wormhole.